am Matteo Parenzan. I am Paralympic player from table tennis. I am in the army with the Gruppo Sportivo Paralympico di Difesa, an important group with give me the opportunity to live with table tennis. So it's very important for me to have this big opportunity to be in the army. And I am world champion and European champion and qualified to the Paralympic Games 2024 in Paris. It's very, very exciting. It will be very interesting for me because like everyone, we have the big goal to win a medal. And obviously I am preparing 4 years for a medal, for compete at the highest level. So I will be very, very angry to take a medal. The biggest challenges start from the life every morning when you wake up and you have to study, because I study at university in political science. So it's very interesting for me to study, to do sport. So it's very, very difficult to take these things together, but it's one of the best things that you can have to have a big university, to have big goals in the sport, and this is life for me. For this Olympic Games, obviously I hope a medal. It will be very, very difficult because we are only 16, but the best 16 in the world. So it will be very, very difficult, very challenging for me, but we know if it's not challenging, it's not a good result. So I hope to be prepared, I hope to be good, healthy. This is the most important thing, and to be prepared to reach a semi-final.